If you received this email, you already know about this huge milestone, eBay partnering with Payoneer. I will discuss about this under three sections: requirements for registration, documents needed to create a Payoneer account, what will happen to multiple eBay account users. If you don't have an Payoneer account, open right now. eBay enables you to quickly receive payouts directly to your Payoneer account in 2 business days in US dollars, and Payoneer offers a variety of ways to use your funds. Registration requirements. Legal name. If you are based in a country that does not use English alphabet and are selling to Europe and UK, your name must be written in English characters that correspond to your name and match the name on your VAT certificate as per eBay's European VAT requirements. Company address verification. You must provide the company's complete address as listed in your eBay account. Authorized representative information. During registration, you will have to provide personal details of your authorized representative, including their names, date of birth, and ID number. Bank account information. When registering, you will have to link a bank account. So what are the documents you will need to create a Payoneer account? For companies, this should be one of the following: certificate of registration, certificate of incorporation, partnership agreement, tax document, business license. Company address verification documents: a copy of a recent utility bill, a copy of a certificate of incorporation, a copy of a recent bank statement, a copy of a complete rental agreement starting the company name and address. Personal details: full name, date of birth, ID number, country of nationality, country of residency. Letter of authorization. For individuals, maybe one of the following: ID copy, one of the following: national ID, passport, driving license. Personal details of all UBOs: full name, complete residential address, date of birth, nationality, ID number, percentage of equity ownership. UBOs ID copy, national ID, passport, driving license. Partner personal details: full name, complete residential address, date of birth, nationality. When you scroll down the email, you'll find this. What is this? According to this, I think we'll have to exclude listing in these sites after registration, but I was not able to find more information about this. If you know something about this, let me know. Comment section is all yours. There are some special guidelines when you have multiple eBay accounts. There are two main types of multiple eBay accounts. First one, multiple eBay accounts under the same business entity, and the second one is multiple eBay accounts under different business entities. Another first one, if you don't have a Payoneer account, after receiving an invitation from eBay to open an account, register with Payoneer. Then, when registering additional eBay accounts under the same entity, select the option to sign into an existing account and sign in with that account's login credentials. If you have a Payoneer account, upon receiving an invitation from eBay to register to manage payments, choose the option to sign into an existing account and do the same for any eBay accounts that is registered under the same entity. Now the second one, if you have multiple eBay accounts under different business entities, you will need to open corresponding Payoneer accounts for each business entity. I know, this will be a mess, but I think eBay will take some actions regarding the situation. So just hit the subscribe button and smash the bell icon to receive the latest information about this. I'll update you when I receive any information about this thing. So this is the end of this video. Stay awesome, guys.